Hi, I didn't notice yesterday when I graded the peer review for the discussion board how many of you were posting, instead of replies to the original student with the peer review, were posting them as new threads. So I'm going to do a quick video on how to post and reply on the discussion board. So I'm right here in the discussion board tab right now. So that's this right here if you click on discussion board tab. And I'm going to scroll down to the peer review. So I'll click on that. And once you get into the forum, you'll see that other people have posted, if you've already posted your summary. If you haven't posted your summary yet, then this will be blank and it will tell you once you post your summary, you'll see this. So once you're in here, you'll see all of these different people who have posted their peer or their summaries. You would pick one of these people, okay? So you would go into one person's, so I'm going to click on the title here, and then once you click on it, you say, okay, this is her rough draft summary, and you can bring it up on your computer, right? You would go ahead and reply, see where it says reply there, and say, I'm going to do a peer review for you. And I'm just going to put in here that this is a test because this will post. And then you hit submit. Okay? So then it shows up as a reply to the original, which is what this student has done here. Okay? But if you wanted to create your own, then it looks a little bit different than this. You would go into create thread to post your own summary. But don't go into create thread to reply with a peer review. So quite a few of you here have posted your own thread as the peer review, and so someone else doesn't see that reply on their own peer review. They have to search through all these others. It just makes it more difficult, more confusing. So when you are posting your peer review, do it as a reply to the original person's post. Don't post a new post. Does that make sense? If you have any questions, please email me or call. I'm happy to answer questions if you're confused or if you need any help with anything. Obviously, I want you to feel like you are on the right track and successful in this class. So just please ask if you have any questions about peer review or any other assignments in the class for that matter. Don't forget that we also need to be posting not only our final summaries this week, and to do that you will go to Submit Essays Here tab, and when you get in there you'll see that there are instructions at the top and essay number 1 summary assignment is there. You'll click on it and it will take you to click here to submit summary, and that will bring up the box where the assignment is located and where you will browse your computer for your summary and submit. When you've done that, do that by Sunday, as I said, but then you'll also need to make sure that you're completing your argument journal, journal number 1. So in order to do that, you have to go to the course content tab. We are in week 5 now, so you go to weeks 5 through 7, finding topics and evaluating sources. And then you want to go to week 5, which is the week we're in. You should be doing this every week, going to the weekly folder. If you're confused about where to find things, they are always linked in the weekly folder. So if it's due that week on the schedule, then it's on that weekly folder. It explains up here everything that's due. The summary assignment link is also here, so it's located in several places. And then the argument journal, beginning argument and outline is here. This is the only place where you will find the explanation for the argument journals, as I said in previous emails. There's no way for me to put each individual assignment under the argument journal tab. Blackboard won't allow me to do it. So I have to do them separately here in each weekly folder. So if there's an argument journal due that week, make sure that you're going into that weekly folder in order to read the directions and complete it. So all of the instructions and specifics are here. There's an example journal as well I'd like you to read, and it's also due by midnight on Sunday, and the points are there as well. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.